Today on the table, I've got a Sony Viao, I believe that's how you say it, SVP132. Now this one I'm just doing a bit of a tear down, so I'll start off with a Phillips head, or a small Phillips head screwdriver, and remove all the various screws, as you can see. And there is a couple of rubber feet going over the hinges you have to remove. So 2 of those come off. Another 4 screws come out of that. And we're back to regular speed now. And then also where it says Viao, there's a small black rectangle. That has to come off also, with one single screw hidden under there too. The tearing it apart was a little bit more of a challenge than I originally anticipated. It is recommended to have a thin pry tool to be able to go around it. The other dilemma I had on this particular one was the hinge, one of the mounting points where the hinge goes decided to snap on me, which has caused one corner to lift up. On this model it didn't really matter too much for me, being this one's just getting torn down to remove the screen. But that definitely could produce some issues, especially if you've got a good quality screen and all you want to do is upgrade your hard drive. So trying to tear it apart, I have finally figured out where my issue is, which is over near the USB ports. Just freeze the frame here, but I'm currently getting snagged on the headphone jack. The headphone jack and the 2 USBs, so I did have to pry them out a bit for it to be able, and also slightly twist the bottom cover to finally be able to take this off. And now I finally had a bit of success getting in there with the back cover or bottom cover fully removed. So from here we're free to access the majority of things. So we can see the wireless card, the M.2, the headphone jack, which is actually removable, the battery, the CPU fan, and also the copper cooler, and also the removable DC jack as well. So it's relatively modular, which makes it nice, except the biggest dilemma I found was finding a decently priced replacement screen for this mod, which doesn't really exist. So I'm going to tear this really light computer down, remove the screen, and it can be a little benchtop. So anyway, I'm going to continue with the teardown, but I'm going to leave for now. And I hope you found this video somewhat helpful. Anyway, I'll catch you later. Bye.